If you're tired of AI video generators that not only give you a limited number of generations, but also watermark all the videos that you create, well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you an AI tool that you can use. And with this AI tool, you do not get any watermark on your videos and you can generate an unlimited number of videos. The best part is that you can use this AI video generator for absolutely free. Before we get started though, kindly remember to hit that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. The tool I'm talking about is Viva AI. Now with this tool, you'll be able to create your videos from images using the image to video feature. You'll also be able to create videos from the text to video feature. You also have a feature to enhance your videos, and you also have the magic brush feature. So let's go ahead and click try for free. As you can see, they have a very simple interface that is easy to use and understand. In the Explore tab, you'll be able to see the generations that others have done. So you can just click on a specific one to see the prompt that was used. You can even hit the remix button to generate in the same manner. So for instance, let's take this video over here. Now, instead of copying this prompt, then pasting it in our prompt box, what you're going to do is, to the very bottom, you'll see the green remix button, and you're just going to click on this to generate in the same manner with the same settings. So I'll just click on remix, and all the settings that are used to generate that video have been imported to my generate page. So all I need to do now basically is just go to the very bottom and hit generate. We are just going to leave all these settings as they are so that we can get a similar video. So now we're going to hit generate. This will take a couple of minutes, so just be patient. And finally, we have our video. So let's go ahead and click on it and just see how the video is. So let's just play the video, and as you can see, this is actually really good considering that this guy is going at a very high speed. So you can see that the video has been rendered quite well. Now let's go ahead and create something a little bit different, and in this case I'll still be using the text to video feature. So I'll just input a prompt over here. So I'm just going to say I want to see a panda that is playing guitar at the lake or something. So again, you choose the aspect ratio. You can also choose the motion strength that you want for this. And once you're satisfied with all that, go ahead and hit generate. So now our video is ready. Let's go ahead and play it as well and see how it turned out. Well, the video is actually really good. If you see the movement in the ocean water at the shore, that is really good. Even the panda that is playing the guitar, other than the weirdness that is going on with one hand. So if you're not satisfied with a video, you can always go ahead and hit retry to generate your video the same way. So let's see our new video that we have regenerated. And as you can see, this is so much better, and everything is actually better than the previous video. So you have nothing to lose. You can always retry if you see something is not up to par. So let's go ahead and try a different prompt. We'll still be using the text to video feature. So I've just pasted a prompt that I have. Next, you're going to choose the aspect ratio. After that, choose the motion strength. Once you're done, hit generate. So now here we have our fox that is playing drums, and this is actually really good, other than the weirdness that's going on around the eyes. Actually, not weirdness, it's just that the eyes are very still, like they are a bit lifeless. So again, that is something that you can correct in your prompt if you're quite specific with it. Other than that, the video is quite okay. Now, with most AI video generating tools, you tend to get better results when you start from an image, and especially if you pair it with a prompt. As you can see, the results you get with this tool are quite decent even when you start from a text. Now let's go ahead and explore the image to video feature, and with this you can use your own image or an image that you generated with Viva. So I'm going to use my own image, and I'm just going to upload this specific image. Here you can choose any aspect ratio from the ones that have been provided, and after that just go ahead and hit confirm. The next thing that you need to do, you can go ahead and input a prompt to tell the AI exactly how you want your image to move. And after that, you can choose the model that you want to use. You can also adjust the motion strength as well as choose a camera motion that you want, then go ahead and hit generate. So here we have our video. Let's go ahead and play it. So you can see how beautifully this is done. You can see the water, how the water splashes. You can see the eagle rising. Like, this is so well done. So if you're starting your video generation from an image, it's always good to pair it with a prompt. Otherwise, the results might not be that good. Now let's go ahead and upload a realistic image. So I'm going to use the image of my AI influencer. So I'll upload this specific image. Again, choose the aspect ratio that you want. Next, go ahead and hit confirm. So once the image has been uploaded, the next thing that you need to do, just input the prompt of how you want your image to move. Follow that up by choosing the motion strength that you want, and you can also choose the camera control. So once that is done, go ahead and hit generate. Again, I'll just fast forward this part. So now we have our video over here. Let's go ahead and play it as well. So here is the image of our girl. As you can see, it's been animated. The only major movement you can see is around the eyes when she closes and opens them. So the movement around the eyes is quite realistic. The rest is some sort of camera movement, which is quite okay. Now, if you do not have your own images, you can create some over here by using the image generation feature. Once this page opens up, you can go ahead and input your prompt in the prompt box. So I'm going to paste a prompt that I already have. Next, you can choose an image. If you want to use an image reference, then you can also choose the model, the aspect ratio, and the number of images that you want to have. After that, just hit generate. Again, this is going to take a couple of minutes. So here we have the images. As you can see, they are really nice. So now with the images, you have a couple of options. So the first thing that you can do with your image is converting your image to a video using the image to video feature. Next, you have the image enhance feature. After that, you also have the magic brush feature. Next, we have the magic eraser feature, as well as the AI replace, and finally the magic expand feature. So you can use these options and you can generate a video directly from an image that you've generated right here on Viva AI. So you can go ahead and try Viva AI. Let me know what you think. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to put it in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.